So this question was asked in GATE 2017 Electronics and Communication Engineering paper set 1, in which you have given a input-output relationship of a discrete time system, and you need to uh, choose the correct statement from these four options. So the statements are related to the causality and stability of the system. So the NPTEL reference for this question is Principle of Signal and Systems by Professor Aditya Jagannatham, IIT Kanpur. You can find reference in the lecture, which is Properties of Discrete Time LTI System. So the useful data for this question is, for a causal system, the output should be depend on only present input and past input. So let's suppose if output is yn, then it should depend only on present input, that is x of n, and n minus 1, x of n minus 1, x of n minus 2, and so on. But it should not depend on the future input, that is xn plus 1 or xn plus 2. It should not depend on these type of input for a causal system. So this is the first condition. And for bounded input and bounded output stability, let's suppose if you are putting x of n as a bounded, then output should be also be bounded. So then it is a bounded input, bounded output stable system. So these two are the useful data for this question. Now coming to the solution, you have given y of n as n into mod of x of n, where n is between 0 to 10, and x of n minus x of n minus 1 otherwise. So this is the input output relationship you have given for a discrete time system. So you can clearly see that yn depends only on x of n and x of n minus 1. So it is example of causal system, because output depends on only on present and past input. Now for stability, that for Bibo stability, when you put x of n as bounded, that is less than infinity, then you can see that this n times mod of x of n is clearly from 0 to 10, so it is bounded. Now in the second one, that x of n, if you put x of n as bounded, and this x of n minus 1 will be also be bounded, so it y of n will be also be bounded. So this is the example of stable system also. So clearly it is an example of causal and stable. So option A is the correct answer for this question.